Hi those, welcome back. We have been doing many videos for supporting passengers who is traveling in between India and outside India due to COVID issues. So we have made videos for different states, how to travel inside the state and outside the state. So this is particularly for Madhya Pradesh, and this video will show you options how to raise online pass for traveling inside Madhya Pradesh and outside Madhya Pradesh, and how to come back to Madhya Pradesh. All this will be available in this video, or any of this option you can go for. Suppose you are outside Madhya Pradesh, you want to come back to your native Madhya Pradesh, you can use this how to create a pass. And suppose you are in Madhya Pradesh, working in Madhya Pradesh, but you wanted to go out of Madhya Pradesh, also you can use this. Now I'll just show you how this can be done. You open a Google search page, and in the search bar you can give mapit.gov, mapit.gov. So this is the thing you can see here, friends, mapit.gov.in and COVID-19. So even if you click on mapit.gov, it will work, no problem. So you can see here some circular has come. You can close this window first time. Right side on top you can close this. Now you are into the Madhya Pradesh government's website, friends, and you can see e-pass option, friends. Here the first option is saying e-pass, see, and this option is for raising e-pass if you wanted to travel inside Madhya Pradesh, within Madhya Pradesh. So say you want to travel from one district to another district, or one state to another state, this can be used. So this is exclusively for within Madhya Pradesh. They might change later the website, clubbing all this pass together, but okay, as of now it is like this, so it will be easy. So second option, you can see migrant resident registration. So this is like others out and inside from Madhya Pradesh. That is like, suppose you wanted to go outside of Madhya Pradesh state, and or you wanted to travel, come back to Madhya Pradesh, this can be used. So let us see how this can be done. You can click any of the options inside one or two accordingly, and then the process is almost same. So I'm not going to take your time showing all the complete process. It will be very quick. Click on migrant resident registration or e-pass, above anything you can do. Now once you open, first time you have to give your mobile number and click on the captcha. So this is mobile number, you enter the captcha and click on submit. So friends, please note, wait for some time. This what I noted, this takes some time, so don't get frustrated. Please wait, it will happen. No, suppose I have also seen there is no OTP, then wait for some time and click on resend button. When you click on resend button, see, this time I got the OTP. Okay, and this is the OTP I received. Enter the OTP and click on submit button. Now you can see I am already into the portal, and there are options like, when you scroll down here on the first option, like source type, this is the place where you are going to select. This is the place where you are going to select the type of pass, whether you are going to come back to MP or out of MP. Okay, you can select the option. So sometimes there is some the latest update is something like 3 options will come. Inside MP also they have club together. So no worry, just combine, just select your option where you wanted to go, come out of MP, come back to MP, or ROM inside MP itself. Select your option accordingly. All the other things are almost similar. Okay, source state, so from where to where, the details are like from source, now where you are and where you are come back. So first you have to enter your source. Source means where you are present now, and after that you have to enter your destination, where you are going. So enter both state and district of source and destination, friends. And after that, place more details of place where you are going to visit, and this is optional. And scroll down, you can see applicant details. Click on the plus button, green plus button here, and then you have to upload your photo. It can be done through camera, or it can be done through documents. Any of the option will work. Click on the upload button here. So when if camera did not work, then you can select So it didn't work, so I selected document option. I updated my photo. You can see here file updated successfully. Now click on OK button. Once this is done, see, this is updated photo is successfully updated. You can the photo comes there, you can see here photo has appeared here. Okay, now scroll down, give the name, mobile number, gender and other details. After that, email ID is optional, not mandatory, but photo ID proof is mandatory and very important. You have to select which is the photo ID proof you are having, carrying with your friends, and um, select it and click on choose file and upload a copy of it. You should have a photo or PDF file, or so they clearly say JPEG or PDF only is valid, and upload your file. Click on upload file. Uploaded successfully. Click on OK button. Once that is done, scroll down, enter your address and which category of travel you are belonging to. When you click there, you can see whether you are student, pilgrim, labor, tourist, visiting family. So where you are falling. If you are working, you can select labor, select any of this option, and then below enter your passenger details. Here you can see here right side, if you scroll, if many passengers are there, click on add a new row and click on adding passengers. Also you have to upload co-traveler details. You can click on, after you can see here upload co-traveler details. Click on that radio button, then choose file, again upload. So it's something like someone is there along with you travel, you have to enter all the traveler details also. So you can see here how many number of co-travelers are there. If you enter multiple, you have to enter, scan multiple people's details. Now finally click on I declare and submit. You can see like this, it is success. I got the acknowledgement numbers. Click on OK. You will get an SMS also regarding this. That process is done. Now you can see here I came back. See, there are 3 options appearing. So now let us see how to go from one district of MP to other state. Okay, so this is also option. 3 options has come. You can see here previously it was 2 options, so you might get 2 or 3 options. No worry, accordingly what is the option you are looking for, going out of MP, coming back to MP, or inside MP, select it. Almost all the details are same, past details. So only one option you get is, now you can see one way round trip option is there. So if you want to go and come back, select a round trip. Okay, and enter your date, like when you are traveling, when you are coming back. So this will be convenient for people who is doing a round trip. You don't need to raise 2 pass. Now enter your travel purpose. If it is emergency, medical, whatever travel purpose you have to enter, and all other details are the same we have done. Now I am not wasting your time showing you the same details again. So only main point is you have to upload your ID proof and photo ID proof, a clear visible ID proof, and when you are traveling by vehicle, you have to enter the vehicle details also on vehicle. And you can select a vehicle type and registration number here, XXX. And now scrolling down, there are optional supporting documents. Okay, this is important in a way, because suppose you are traveling in a medical purpose, you are pregnant, lady is there along with you, please upload those files. You will get preference while government is looking at it. If you do not have, leave it. Declare, click on I declare and click on submit button. Okay, see, you can see there is a message has come when I submit. Now there is one more option here, traveling within Madhya Pradesh, one state to another. So this option comes when you select the first option, right? I had shown you in the beginning there are 2 options, e-pass and below migrant pass. So when you select the first option, you got all these inside travel options. When you select the second option, you get you get option for outside or one coming back to Madhya Pradesh. So within Madhya Pradesh you get a round trip pass. That's what I'm showing you. And purpose of travel, it's all same process. So but I'm just showing quickly what are the difference of options. When you select different options, whether there is some other things you have to take care, but it looks like almost similar options has to be documents and options has to be given everywhere. You can see here. So select your option and upload the files. While uploading file, if you use the camera, if it did not work, friends, please save it as a PDF, then do it, because sometimes camera will create larger image, which will be a problem. So now vehicle type, if you click, now you have multiple vehicle options: two-wheeler, three-wheeler, and four-wheeler and bus and stuff. So accordingly, which is the option you prefer, you can select the same here. And once done, click on I declare in the bottom and click on submit button. And you can see once things are success, you get a message like this. Like this is the message, and in the message your acknowledge number is clearly told, and everything is perfect here, no problem. So you can keep following up this acknowledgement. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, I request you to give a like. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, friends.